Hi there, Serial Trader here. All right, let's check in with Bitcoin. As once again, I think it's another good buying opportunity, if at least for a short-term balance, if anything else. Now I got stopped out since the last video, obviously, because we took out that 8,000 no problem. But that's fine. Really, no damage done here. While trying to catch a precipitous decline. But really, once again, we have 4-hour oversold RSI. It's sitting around that 20 level, and that's just always a good level to get a reaction off of. But more importantly than that, now we're just right on that 618 retracement level. Just well, we've nicked it and gone slightly under. But I expect some sort of meaningful reaction around here. And that came in at 7,700, so we're in the 76s. But with that level of oversold RSI, and we actually still have a bullish divergence on the 4-hour MACD. You see we've made a higher low on these moving averages. So from an Elliott wave perspective, can this still be an expanded flat wave 2 to the downside? Well, absolutely. And this is still, in my opinion, a C wave that we're working at this point. But, well, what's going on with this? Well, I would say that we actually just had something more along these lines, okay? Maybe we had running flat, so you have an A, B, C that doesn't make a new extreme, running flat wave 4, and now we're coming down in the 5th wave. So, in this case, the subdivisions, I didn't get those correctly. Well, in retrospect, I didn't get them correctly. Certainly at the time it was reasonable what I was working there, but you have to be flexible in your approach here. And when the market forces you to change your mind, you must do so. So I'm buying here. I've bought some at 76.50 so far, and I just plan on buying over the next little while here. I'm just gonna watch it carefully and build a position. But I'm definitely liking, it adds confidence when you have that 4-hour RSI this oversold. And we're at that significant Fibonacci pivot. So at the very minimum, I expect a several $100 reaction to the upside, and hopefully more than that. Hopefully this finally terminates this overall pattern, and we can actually start a new uptrend. But at this point, I'm just going to treat it as a short-term trade until given a reason to do otherwise. All right, hopefully that's a good update for you. Bitcoin's certainly not easy to trade these days. But when you use stops and you're careful, you can still avoid damage and still actually take part in some opportunity, even if it's not the same kind of opportunities we're accustomed to from before. All right, Serial Trader signing off.